Hello guys, welcome to Aman online classes. Today we will learn light, reflection and reaction chapter class 10, chapter number 10. Let's start. Light. Light is a form of energy which is light is the sorry light. It is the form of energy which brings the sensation of light. Point number 2, it travels with the speed of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in vacuum in a straight line path. Reflection. The light incident on a polished surface gets reflected back into the same medium is known as reflection. A highly polished surface, such as mirror, reflects most of the light of light falling on it follows the laws of reflection. What is laws of reflection? Angle of incidence, angle of reflection, angle of reflection angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This is the first point of laws of reflection, and second point of laws of reflection is that the incident ray, the reflected ray, and normal at the point of incidence all lies in the same plane is known as laws of reflection. Okay, let's move to nature of the image. Nature of image. Real. There are two types of nature of image. One is real and another is virtual. Real image, actual interaction of light's rays. Point number 1 is actual interaction of light rays. Point number 2, can be formed on the screen. Point number 3, always inverted. Virtual image. For point number 1, appear to meet. Point number 2, cannot be formed on screen. Point number 3, always erect. The all points of opposites are virtual image. Okay, let's move to types of mirror. Plane mirror. There are two types of mirror: plane mirror and spherical mirror. Plane mirror. Point number 1, magnification is equal to +1. Point number 2, it is always virtual and erect. Point number 3, the size of image is equal to that of the object. Point number 4, the image the image is formed at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of mirror. Point number 3, the image is laterally inverted. Let's move to spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. Magnification. Point number 1, magnification is equal to m is equal to minus v by u. Point number 2, mirror formula: 1f is equal to 1v plus 1u. Point number 3, obeys set obeys a set of sign conventions rule for u and u, v and f. Let's move to concave and convex mirror. Concave and convex mirrors are come from spherical mirror. That's why I've given these two arrow. Okay, let's get concave mirror. Silvered at outer surface. Point number 1. Point number 2, reflecting surface curved inwards. Image. The image of concave mirror is this. Okay, let's move to convex mirror. Silvered at inner surface. Point number 2, reflecting surface curved outward. Image is this of convex mirror. Okay, let's move to some important terms related to spherical mirror. Okay, let's move. Important terms related to spherical mirror. Point number 1, P. P for pole. Okay, do not get confused. There is given P. P means what? P for pole. C. C for center of curvature. Okay, C for center of curvature. R. R for radius of curvature, or you can say CP. Okay. F means focus. Okay. L means focal length, or you FP is called CP by 2. Okay, let's move to concave mirror in detailed. Used in where concave mirror are get used by a dentist, in saving mirror, in searchlight, in headlamps, in opto ophthalmoscope. Rules for formation. What are the rules for formation of concave mirror? There are: point number 1, rays parallel to the principal axis gets reflected back through focus. Point number 2, rays passing through the focus will emerge parallel to the principal axis after reflection. Let's move to another point of rules for image formation. Rays, point number 3, rays from the center of curvature get reflected along its own path. Point number 4, a ray of light incidents obliquely at pole get reflected at the same angle on the other side of principal axis into the same medium. Okay, let's move to convex mirror. Convex mirror used. Where are the convex mirror get used? Simply as a rear view mirror. In vehicle you can see there are some, they are giving both side, left right mirror. That mirror is rear view mirror. There the mirror which can be used is convex mirror. Okay, as a rear view mirror in shops to check theft, at traffic junctions, to lighten large area. Okay, rules for image formation. Point number 1, this is the rules for image formations of convex mirror. Okay, do not get confused. There is also rules for image formation for this is for concave mirror. Okay, and this is for convex mirror. Okay, rays parallel to principal axis get reflected and appear to come from the principal focus. This is point number 1. Point number 2, rays going towards the principal focus will emerge parallel to the principal axis after reflection. Point number 3, rays from the center of curvature get reflected back along its own path. Point number 4, a rays of light incidents obliquely at pole gets reflected at the same angle on the other side of principal axis into the same medium. Okay, let's move to refraction. Refraction, the point number 1, the deviation. This is the definition, you can say: the deviation in the path of ray of light when it travels from one medium to another is known as reflection. Refraction, this is refraction, and that is reflection. The deviation in point this the definition of refraction is the deviation in the path of rays of light when it travels from one medium to another. And the laws of refraction is Snell's law of reflection: seen I by seen R is equal to constant is equal to n21, where n21 refractive index of medium 2 with respect to the medium 1. Okay, let's move to another law of Snell's law. The incidence ray the in the incidence rays, the reflected rays and the normal to the interface of two transparent media at the point of incidence all lies in the same plane. is known as, this is the second point of Snell's law. Refractive index n, this is very important. Okay, let's start. Point number 1, n21 is equal to speed of light in medium 1 by speed of light in medium 2 is equal to v1 by v2. Point number 2, n12 speed of light in medium 2 by speed of light in medium 1 is equal to v2 by v1. Point number 3, principle of reversibility of light is n21 into n12 is equal to 1. nm n Point number 4, nm speeds of light in vacuum or air is by speeds of light in a medium by c is cv. The medium with larger refractive index is optically denser medium than the other. It has no unit as it is the ratio of two same quantities. Another part of this is part 1 of this video, and another part will be we will launch soon. So stay connected with Aman online classes. And one more thing, the concave mirrored table and convex mirror table are also get in that video. Okay, thank you for watching Aman online classes. Have a nice day.